Welcome to livetutelage.com, best e-learning portal for IIT JEE, NEET and Foundation.
The Supreme Court today refused to entertain a plea against a Tamil Nadu government order reserving 85% of seats in MBBS and BDS courses for the state board students and only 15% for those of other boards, including CBSE. A bench comprising Chief Justice J.S. Khairs asked the petitioners, father of a medical aspirant, to approach the Madras High Court, which is already hearing pleas against the state government orders. The Supreme Court asked petitioner R. Nakiran, represented by senior advocate Nalini Chidambaram, to withdraw the plea and either file a fresh one or intervene in the pending matter before the Madras High Court. We request the High Court to expedite the hearing in the case, the bench said, adding that the matter is very urgent as counselling for the admissions is about to begin. CBSE conducts a National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test NEET for admission to MBBS and BDS courses across the country, in which 85% seats are reserved for domicile of states where medical colleges are located and the remaining seats go to students hailing from other states. Tamil Nadu government, however, passed an order on June 22 saying that 85% seats in MBBS and BDS courses would be allocated to those who have passed their 12th examination conducted by the state board and only 15% seats would be given to those who cleared the test from other boards including CBSE. Chidambaram submitted that the matter needed urgent hearing as the counselling begins from today and moreover, the government order has created a lot of problems to students who have passed 12th examination from other boards. Earlier, the High Court had issued notices to the Health and Family Welfare Department's Secretary, Medical Education's Additional Director, the Selection Committee's Secretary and the Medical Council of India on a separate plea challenging the government orders. The High Court, however, had declined to grant any interim stay on the government's orders on the plea filed by one Darnish Kumar and others too. The petitioners had submitted that the Supreme Court has clearly stated when admission is based on entrance examination NEET, it should make no difference whether the qualifying examination is conducted by the State Board or the Central Board of Secondary Education, because no discrimination can be made between the schools affiliated to both the boards. They had further stated that once a common merit list is prepared for the purpose of grant of admission to MBBS and BDS courses based on NEET results, the only permissible reservation was in favor of students who have studied in schools located within Tamil Nadu. Therefore, it is impermissible for distribution of seats on the basis of school board, and therefore such segregation of seats would amount to discrimination among students, they had said. Thank you.
If you like this video, please click the like button. If you have any questions or suggestions, please comment below. For more updates on IIT JEE or NEET exams, please subscribe to our channel to get a lot of updates. Support us by following us on Facebook and Twitter. To sharpen your skills, please try out our test series on livetutelage.com. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.